Hey everybody, Alan and I were talking and I forgot to add in the over-under video about how why your Oliver or white tractor shifts hard. And what's going on is in direct drive and overdrive, they can't turn backwards. And so you're fighting against that sprag clutch if you're like roll up a hill or something like that. So I'm gonna show, right now I've got it in direct. I'm gonna turn it up by hand here for a moment in the back in the right direction. It'll eventually build up pressure. Yeah, and even that little bit is enough. And I'm gonna put this pair of channel locks on here to show. I'm pushing. Oop, there it goes. It let go. But for a few seconds there, let me build them up again. Direct drive bleeds off quicker than overdrive does. Channel locks, but I cannot turn that thing backwards until the pressure bleeds off, and then all of a sudden it goes. Overdrive's even more so. Oh, that was overdrive. Let's try direct again. That was overdrive. So it'll hold for, you might be driving up a hill and you'll notice how it, if you're in direct or over, it just wants to hang. Is that? Yeah, that's direct. Maybe I can't build enough of pressure in direct. I guess I thought I was in direct and I was in over. Yeah, it's going backwards. All right. So anywho, let's see. We'll just do the overdrive thing. So I'm going to do it by hand here. Alan's going to come around a little bit and show this back end. I'll turn it forward until I got some pressure. Even though the pressure drops off after I stop turning, the valve keeps the pressure in the overdrive. So now I can't turn it backwards. But if I reach up here and put it in underdrive, now all of a sudden I can turn it backwards or forwards. And there's nothing on the front there that's holding the shaft or anything. It's just an empty shaft. So that is the secret to making your Olivers shift easier. Always put them in underdrive when you're going to shift. Then the sprocket is not trying to lock up if you're going backwards at all, putting any kind of load against it, because that just holds pressure against the gears in the transmission and makes them really hard to shift. So hope you found that interesting, and thanks for watching.